Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is about 10 lines essay on Quaid E Azam. So let's start. First point is Quaid E Azam, Muhammad, Ali, Jinnah was a great politician and lawyer. Second point is he was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. Third point is his father name was Punja Jinnah and mother name was Mithi Bhai Jinnah. Fourth point is he belonged to a rich and famous merchant family. Fifth point is he was the founder of Pakistan. He was the first Governor General of Pakistan. He was known as Quaid E Azam and Baba-e-Qaum. Eighth point is his famous principles were unity, faith, and discipline. He died on 11th September 1948 in Karachi. Last point is we should follow the ideal thoughts by him. Thanks for watching.